I'm back in the garden and I need to install some reflective tape around the garden. This helps scare birds away, and so I will be just taping it to the cages. I'll probably tape some to the top of my tomato stakes and to a couple pots over there as well. The ones that I had before are no more. We're gonna redo that for this new season of gardening. So the birds don't like the reflectiveness, and so because I have them at the top of the posts, it does help a little bit with deterring them from eating anything in the garden.